Chlosyne gabbii, or Gabb's checkerspot, is a butterfly from the family Nymphalidae. Subspecies: Chlosyne gabbii. Chlosyne gabbii Atrifishita Emil and Mattoon, 1998. Description: Chlosyne gabbii has a wingspan of about 30–45 mm, 1.3–1.8 in. The upper side of the wings is checkered with bright orange, brown and black, while the underside of hindwing shows pearly white spots. Females are lighter than the males. Adults can be encountered from May to July. Larvae feed on Corethrogyne phylogenifolia, Heterotheca grandiflora and Haplopappus choruses. Distribution: this very rare species can be found in California in the western United States. It is threatened throughout its range. References: external links. Butterflies of America.